And welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix your Instagram. So if your Instagram is glitching or not working, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram. You have to update your Instagram application from here. Once you will update your Instagram application here, simply go back and you have to tap a while on the Instagram application, then click on the info button and you will see this type of the page. From here you have to click on the storage and the cache. First of all, you have to clear your cache and try to log into your account. If it's working, then it's okay. Otherwise you have to click on the clear storage and again you have to give the password and the email. Hope so your Instagram will start working. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.